Good morning. It's countdown to Christmas. And we have a neighbor this morning. Hey, cow. Don't poop in our campsite. I appreciate it if you don't poop in the campsite. We got friends that need to park there. Okay, thanks. We're having a chilly, moody, rainy day. There's actually mountains back there. You can barely see them. Let's see. There you go. Clouds are really low. Cows are out there. Arizona needs this rain so bad. But as I told a friend earlier, I wish it would have waited till after Christmas. It'll probably be dry in no time. Things dry here so fast.